What's up, YouTube and the world? So one of my installers was working on this 2015 Acura TSX 6-cylinder for cat efficiency codes, and I left a little early last night, but I asked him to finish this, and as you see, he did not. I said finish the job, make it so that it runs, and this is what I got. So he had a couple struggles with the back catalytic converter. Can't tell if that's installed or not. I'm gonna have to take a closer look. It looks like it is. So anyway, he removed the strut bar, and he had problems getting it passed through here. Some of these cars, by the time you get to them, the catalytic converter shields have already rusted off and fell off, or someone's removed them because they were rattling. The very back one, if it's an OEM converter, you must remove the heat shields to make your job and life a lot easier. After about an hour of him struggling, trying to get it out of that space back there, I said, take the heat shields off of the OEM converter that you're replacing, which he did finally, and then that catalytic converter slipped right out. The aftermarket ones come with no shielding, so it slips in between that space a lot easier. So just a tech tip to help you guys out. Thanks for watching.